at Folsom Music Lessons, and today I'm going to show you some strumming basics on how to use the guitar pick. Okay, strumming, that's where you move the pick across the strings, right? Okay, just like a paintbrush, you just glide the pick across the strings, all right? So for strumming basics, we're going to start by counting to 4, and every number is going to be a downstroke like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. String mute. We got it. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. String mute. Okay. Now let's try to do an upstroke. When I do an upstroke, I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to lightly move it up. Let's look at the side angle here. See, my hand goes like this. Okay. String mute. So now I'm going to go numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. String mute. I'm going to say and in between the numbers. On the word and, pull up. So it's going to be like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. I think we can do that. Let's do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This is how to use your guitar pick for strumming basics.